Hello, this is question 11 here, giving the reaction 2 potassium plus 2 water to give 2 KOH plus H2. If 10 grams of potassium react, how many grams of hydrogen are produced? Alright, so this is how to do this question. The K being equal to 39 that you're seeing here means 1 mole of K is equal to 39 grams, okay? And then hydrogen here is 1, and we're dealing with H2. For H2 is going to be 2 times 1, that becomes 2 grams per mole, and that means 1 mole is equivalent to 2 grams of hydrogen. Okay, now putting this stuff together, we have 10 grams of potassium. I'll convert that to moles by saying 1 mole of potassium divided by 39 grams of potassium. So you see how the K would cancel out the grams of K, so you know you're on the right track. Now we have 1 mole of potassium. Let's look at how this relates to the mole of hydrogen gas. So we look at the balanced equation. 2 moles of potassium gives you 1 mole of hydrogen gas, so that means there's a mole ratio of 2 to 1, which you can write as 1 mole of hydrogen divided by 2 moles of potassium. Okay, again, you can choose to put the 2 moles down so that it cancels out with the mole of potassium here, and then you know you're doing the right thing. Now we have moles of hydrogen up there, and we can convert that to grams of hydrogen using this relationship right here. So we'll bring that in, and then we'll have 2 grams of hydrogen divided by 1 mole of hydrogen, and it cancels out again. And when you solve all this out, you should have about 0.2564 grams of hydrogen, and that's how to solve this. Let me know if you have any questions on this, and you know there are many ways to do this stuff, right? So if you did it in another way, also let me know in the comments, and I'll see you on question 12. Okay, bye bye.